Introducing the Lisle 64180 Actuator Motor Wrench Set. This time-saving tool has a toothless, infinite ratchet and hinged handle design to make it easier to remove and replace fasteners on small electric HVAC motors. The motors that control airflow into the vehicle are commonly found in confined areas under the vehicle's dash. The driver can be flipped to switch from clockwise to counterclockwise drive. The tool can save multiple hours of labor, as in many cases the dash doesn't need to be completely disassembled to reach the fasteners. The kit includes a 5.5, 7, and 8mm socket, along with a 1/4-inch square drive adapter for use with a 1/4-inch socket and bit holders. The tool can also be used in other hard-to-reach applications. The length of the driver can also be adjusted and locked. The Lisle 64180 Actuator Motor Wrench Set.